So today we are going to make a super storage thing. So we can store a scissor in it. We want to make it, so we need a scissor, an A4 sheet and everything. First we are going to cut it like this. So we can cut the another part we cut it. It's so beautiful. Now we need to wrap it something. So let's take our A4 sheet. We just need a piece of A4 sheet and roll it like this. See? It's very perfect and super. So you can store your everything that you need. And we can just put it like a big one. So you can store many things in it. Small scissor, not big because it's small. Okay? Now let's glue it. We glue it. Draw a picture. Now let's paint it. So now it's ready. Ta-da! But something is missing here. Let's draw it. Ta-da! Now we draw so beautifully. Yes. Blue. Wow, it's so pretty. We draw a heart on the back and we spin it. So beautiful, cute flower. Would you like this? Please write in the comment box. Okay? Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day for everybody.